Hey, what is up, lawn care community? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for stopping by. We are on another mission to make a sale on Letgo. Okay guys, so that's secure enough. We're only going like a couple blocks. I'm meeting this person, to make this little quick sale. So once again, I've really found a lot of success using Letgo, believe it or not. It's been really easy to find people that want to just meet in public and figure stuff out, you know? If you guys saw my other video selling my Viking X-Mark Viking, I should say. If you saw that, then I actually, now that sale was Facebook Marketplace, but so yeah, I'm just gonna make this a pretty quick video. It's just another episode of like a day in the life and selling stuff, because that's the hustle, that's the side hustle. This TV stand that I'm selling, I got it for free from a friend, and they got a new TV stand and they just wanted to get rid of it. Texted a group of friends, boom, I hopped on it. Absolutely, I'll take it first thing. It was mine for free, and he lives like 10 minutes away from me tops, and we're friends, so I was gonna see the guy anyways. And I took it, brought it home. It's been like 4 days. Maybe I'll do some posting of the people that were interested in it. I guess I won't be able to really show their profiles or anything to keep them secure, but yeah, people contact you on Letgo. When you start posting things that you want to get rid of and sell, people contact you pretty quickly. I remember the first day that I used Letgo, I think it was the first item I even posted. It was a push mower, walk behind like a standard 21-inch push, but it wasn't self-propelled. That's what I was getting at, is that it was a straight up push mower. And posted that for like 40 bucks. That was used in years old. And somebody bought it. I think I sold it for like 30 or 40, yeah. That's just the way she goes. All right, so we're heading up. We'll see if they are timely or not. Alright, what is up guys? Just pulled up here waiting for my Letgo client to show a real quick while I'm waiting. You know, last year I think, yeah, I made a YouTube video about it. I'll put a card right here for that. But I'll probably post this to Instagram too. But I would love for you guys to just add some stickers to that nice Cobalt toolbox. And boom, just like that. I promise I did not pull this $30 out of my wallet. So, where did it come from? You already know. Sold it on Letgo. Boom, bada bing, bada boom. She's done. She's out of here. Decluttered. I met the guy 2 minutes, 1 minute away from my house at a local church. I can flash up the little conversation we had, you know. That's all it takes, guys. A little bit of patience, communication. Another little side note about Letgo, the beautiful thing of it, now I got my free TV stand from a friend, so it actually was in pretty good shape as a free item and I was able to sell it. But Letgo does have a free section, just like Craigslist. So you can go in the free section, and I would only get free stuff, obviously that's super local, unless you think there's true, definite value in the free item. But yeah, guys, anyways, that's how we do it. Here, I'll show you proof when I get back home. The cash and the TV stand not in the back of my truck. So quick sale, easy, boom. I had this TV stand for maybe, geez, I don't even know when I got it. It was literally 3 days ago, and like I posted it, and man, probably 4 to 6 people messaged me within the couple days. Boom, sold it for asking price. So, all right, I'll show this proof. It's getting dark. I'll show this proof, and then we'll be out of here. What up, guys? Just got back home. Check this out. Boom. She gone.